here we've been selling Euro USD, so I just want to update you to the trades that we've been taking and the trades that we are going to take as time goes on. So we've been selling Euro USD. You can see that price is now giving us some kind of a corrective, so it is correcting here, which is an opportunity to trail your stop and an opportunity to scale your trade. So yeah, it's trailing stop opportunity and a scaling in opportunity. So here you can see my stop loss here. I entered the sell here and my stop loss is here. So my stop loss is below entry. It means that I'm already on the bright side. Even if price goes against me, there is nothing that I will lose from my balance. You see, so that's the good side of trailing your stop. So what you can do, guys, those who didn't enter this as a sell, you can either enter now as a sell. Why? Because we are assuming that price was rejected close to this level, which has support, and it wasn't able to penetrate it in form of a resistance breakout. So it didn't break out. So it's either you sell now or you wait for some kind of a high to be formed and you sell. So it depends on your account, but if you sell here, you should make sure that your stop loss is somewhere around here, not all the way up there, but somewhere around here. I hope that one is clear. So good selling opportunity on Euro USD. It's a kind of a reversal market. It's a reversal market. Let me just, so you see in the hard time frame, yeah, so we are expecting price to go down. You see my target is all the way here, so I'm still expecting some kind of downward move here as the momentum is decreasing. So I hope that one is clear, guys. Let us check, but remember what I told you is that I'm kind of skeptical of this level here, that price might test it and bounce back, but we're still waiting for price to reach that level. So it's still a downward market. You can put on those sells if you are not in the market and make sure that you manage your risk. Let's check the other one that I gave you, Bitcoin, ne? Bitcoin is also doing very, very well. You can see my buy is up here. This is the 30-minute chart. So I'll also be trailing my stop loss. I'll also be trailing my stop loss to somewhere around this level, but now I'm as well allowing price, because price, it has been reversing for a while now. You can see the corrective is even clearly visible even in the daily. You see it has been a big corrective. So the reason I'm not trailing my stop now, it is because I'm just allowing price to just do its own. Maybe it can come and bounce here and then go again all the way up. So I'm kind of giving it some chance, because the buyers have been kind of struggling before, so it's hard for them to just take up and shoot all the way up. So there will be those struggles earlier and then they will shoot up with high momentum. So I hope that one is clear. So we are still holding on Bitcoin, but those short-term traders, they can close their profits, but this is long-term. As I said, this is long-term. As I said yesterday, it is long-term, guys. I hope that one is clear. So if you are not even buying Bitcoin, just wait for those buys. Wait for those buys. A buying opportunity is when there is a corrective wave and then that corrective is broken and then you enter those buys. So I hope that one is clear. Let us see the synthetic index market and see what's going on. So here we are on synthetic index. I don't know if you have any opportunity. So this is V50. So we can see at V50 that, okay, our indicators have been above, but however, the 200 is not below the smaller ones. So yeah, it's kind of not of a strong one, but there is something very, very beautiful here. You can see that here there was an upward channel which was broken, and then there was a retest, and then the market is kind of like going down. So it's a good it's a selling structure when there is an ascending channel and then it's become broken and also retested as it did here. So yeah, we are on a good selling side. I just want to see the bigger picture a bit. So here is the hourly. Yeah, it also looked the same. So it's a good selling opportunity, guys. If you put a sell now, it means that the stop loss is going to be there. But for me, what I can advise is that you can wait maybe for price to give you a high, and after the high, you just put on your sells here, because now it's kind of like close to a low. So that's one thing that we don't want. So just wait for a price to give you some kind of a high. I hope that one is making sense. Let's check another one. What was it that I was seeing an opportunity? Okay, it's 300 first. Oh yeah. Okay. Here is a beautiful one. Here is a beautiful one as well. Here is a beautiful one as well. So okay, it's a MetaTrader thing. Okay, here we can see that it's also some kind of a reversal structure. Why? Because we have this upward trend here, which was a good upward flow, which was broken here, price giving us new low, which is very lower than the previous one, which is that one. So it was a good structure, but then we were waiting for a high, and that was the high, and seemingly that high, it was kind of a fake. Why? Because after price gave us that high, it just all of a sudden came down and then started to play around here. So meaning here is the real spot. This is just a fake. That's why in a higher time frame you can see that only as a candle with a longer wick, not just candles like this. So it's a fake high that they gave us there. Why? Because the activity took place here. So meaning this is the real high. So you can see that it's not higher than the previous one. So that one, that's just a fake out. And then price is now going down. So what we're waiting for, it's either you put on a sell right now and put in a stop loss here, or you can wait for price to breach this level and then you put your sells, or you can wait for price to come back and test it and then you put your sells. So it depends on how aggressive you are and how fearless you are. At the end of the day, we cannot be able to predict what the market can do, but we just spot probabilities and then we apply that good risk reward. So yeah, you can put in your sells and put your stop here. We are looking for price to go all the way down. We can see the indicator there. It's showing us some good things. Yeah, then let me check the last one. What was it that was doing here? 300. Okay, it's this big guy V75. It's the same thing as V50, ne? The same thing. It's just the upward flow being broken, and then price is now making a lower low, so we're waiting for it to give us a high, and then in the high we are selling. So V75 selling opportunities. Yeah, just wait for a corrective, and then when the corrective is broken, put on those sells. I hope that one is clear, guys, and I hope these videos are very helpful. So yeah, that's it for today. I will keep you updating you as the day goes on. I will keep on posting some things as the day goes on to just help you spot those opportunities and help you enter those markets right. So yeah, enjoy trading, guys.